HIFU, High-Intensity Focused Ultrasound, is the most advanced technology designed to provide the same facelift and skin tightening as surgical facelift without having to undergo any surgery. HIFU is suitable for all skin types and is an excellent option for patients looking to prevent early signs of aging. Areas such as forehead, eyebrow, chin, jawline, and double chin can be targeted to reduce wrinkles and sagging. The treatment relies on focused ultrasound to tighten 3 layers underneath the skin at 4.5 mm, 3 mm, and 1.5 mm for an overall facelift. At 4.5 mm, it targets the SMES layer, which is your facial muscles that we cannot exercise. The focused beams shot to the facial muscles and collagen layers also jumpstart collagen production, allowing your skin to continually lift and tone. There is absolutely no downtime, and visible results can be seen from the first session.